silicone. This is pretty claggy stuff. We could add some oil-based paint on here as well. We could add some, this is graphite grease as well. It's pretty extreme, but it shows you what it can do. Even off a surface as well. And for maintenance guys, often it's, even if they're wearing gloves, all the muck is up their arm, so they're not protected from the gloves. So we take our heavy duty wipes, and these are textured on one side, they're smooth on the other, so the texturing can go down, and we only use cosmetic grade solvents. So these cosmetic grade solvents designed to emulsify that muck, and then we rely on the fabric to grab hold of it.
Yeah, you got Christmas.
And rely on the whole thing, but it's got to get the whole thing off as quickly as possible.
That's impressive.
The silicone, the paint, and the grease.
That's impressive.
And then the key thing is that once that muck is in that wipe, it doesn't come back out again. And we can take the same wipe, that's out of the hairs of your arm. So we use 4 different core cosmetic solvents, and we have 4 different cosmetic grade skin conditions as well. So it's designed to be tough on the muck, but it's got to be gentle on the skin. And that's now the same wipe, and we can take the muck off the surface. Now, the next thing you might say is, well, why have you got 2 types? Well, that's where this product comes into its own, because this is more of a finishing product for a lot of maintenance engineers. So if you have finished an install and you want to remove all of the muck, and you see the difference that makes, it's the same liquid, but it just picks up all the finger marks. So a combination of the 2 products works really well. The liquid is the liquid that's in the wipes. So if you're using the wipes and you want to keep working, you can even add more liquid. But the wipes are also fully interchangeable. So if I just finished an install, if I was covered in muck, it's often a lot of the guys working outside, tree surgeons, you can whack this straight on your hands because it's safe. And then you might go to this product because it's like a clean down towel, pull a couple of these out, and then everything cleans up. So if you're, a lot of the mobile maintenance guys now, they're fully workweared up. Workwear is a big investment for businesses. You don't want the guys doing this when the hands are filthy. So if the hands are clean, yeah, they could dry them and they don't damage the workwear. If they've got expensive vans and vehicles, they're not getting back in the van and the vehicle covered in the muck from the previous job. And if I'm knocking on your door to fix something in the afternoon, I'm not covered in the shit, the crap from working all day, because as I finish one job, I've gone back to the van, I've cleaned up, I look sharp again, ready for the next job. So it's all about getting the muck off as quickly as possible and safely. And the biggest cost for most businesses is time. So even in factory environments, it can be the case that the washrooms are down here, but they're working here. And if they're fixing something and they're covered in muck, right, have to go waste time, clean up, come back. If you have the wipes, they can work here, get the worst of the muck off. Even if you have gloves, sometimes your gloves are covered in muck, but if you have the wipes, you can clean the gloves. Clean the muck off, carry on working, fix, clean everything with the wipes. The wipes go with you to the next job. So this is black silicone, this is pretty